Proposal for joint defense between Pakistan and India was made by Ayub Khan. Pakistan is the sixth largest nation in the world by way of population. Pakistan's foreign policy ought to be determined primarily by both B and C, national interest and economic interests. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is the most ambitious and potentially game-changing example of regional economic cooperation. In 1955, Pakistan joined the CENTO and the CETO alliances in 1956. When was Pakistan became a major non-NATO ally of the United States? In 2004. RCD became defunct after the Iranian Revolution, and a Pakistani-Turkish initiative led to the founding of the Economic Cooperation Organization. Pakistan is the leading member of the Coffee Club. 30% of Omanis are of Balochi origin. Pakistan was one of the first countries to open its embassy in Baku. Pakistani pilots assisted the Syrian Air Force during the Yom Kippur War of 1973. Pakistan was the first country to accord formal recognition to United Arab Emirates. Pakistan established full diplomatic relations with Bangladesh on January 18, 1976. Diplomatic relations between Pakistan and the People's Republic of China were established on 21 May 1951. Pakistan supported Tunisia on the issue of its complete control Ras bin Saka. Amanullah Khan is the leader of Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front. Pre-partition India consisted of 584 princely states. Durand Line came into existence in 1893. Who wrote The Military and Politics in Pakistan? Hassan Askari. Diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Afghanistan were established in Feb 1948. Shiv Sena is the name of a politico-fundamentalist party. Pakistan has up to 3,500 troops in Congo. Pakistan maintains 2 infantry battalions and a squadron of helicopters under the UN peacekeeping banner in Central African Republic.